All right, boys and girls, today we're going to try addition facts plus 1. So these are pretty much the same as adding 0, only instead of the numbers staying the same, we go to the next number. So before we get started, the first thing we do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. Good. So write your name at the top and then get started. So when I look at my numbers, when we add or subtract, we always start with the biggest number. So the biggest number out of 4 and 1 is 4. So when I look at 4 plus 1, I just go to the next number that I would say when I'm counting. So what is the number you say after 4? It's 5. Good job. So if I'm looking at 6 plus 1, I start with 6 because that's the bigger number, and then I just add 1 to it. So the number I say after 6 when I'm counting is 7. So if I'm adding 9 plus 1, what is the number I say after 9? It's 10. Very good. Okay, 3 plus 1, the number after 3, you're right, it's 4. Okay, so if I have one that's 1 plus 1, both of those numbers are the same. So I just think, when I'm counting, what comes after 1? It's 2. Perfect. So what is the number after 2 on this one? It's 3. And it's 7 plus 1. The number after 7 is 8. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, so now that we have done those 2 rows, I want you to do this row and this row by yourself. So push pause and you try, and then push play and check your answers. Ready? Go ahead. All right, welcome back. What did you get for 10 plus 1? Is it 11? Perfect. 8 plus 1? 9. Ooh, 0 plus 1, that's a tricky one. I hope you put 1 because that's the answer. 9 plus 1, so the number after 9 is 10. 6 plus 1, 7. This one is 3. This one is 4. And that one is 5. Oh, look, 3, 4, 5. That's so silly. Okay, now I want you to try the rest of the page on your own. When you're finished, raise your hand and I will come check the answers to see how you did. And then you can go on to the next station. So try these on your own and then raise your hand and I will come take a peek. Remember, you might have to wait for me for a minute, but it's okay. Good job.